Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Makeup by Yoli. I am super excited for today's tutorial. Yes! Only because I've been inspired by Cardi B's makeup artist, Erika LaPearl. I mean, she has been trending all throughout social media, and mostly because of the fact of Cardi B and Offset's new video, Clout, which is creating so much buzz. I mean, the makeup was on point, the hair was on point, the outfits, everything about that video was just fire. So I got inspired and I wanted to create my own little Erika LaPearl rendition of a Cardi B look. So if you want to know how I got this look using the HudaBeauty palette, the HudaBeauty Coral Obsession palette, this one right here, as well as this Juvia's palette right here, then keep watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what you think by commenting below. Also, I always mention this, hit that notification button because there will be more things coming in the future you guys are going to enjoy. Trust me, it is important. Hit that notification button so you don't miss out on what Makeup by Yoli is bringing to you. And without further ado, I mean, yes, I've talked enough and I know you guys are just dying for me to get into this look right here because I know I'm excited. So without further ado, let's get this tutorial on and popping and let's pay homage to Miss Cardi B and Erika LaPearl. I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. Okay guys, so we're going in with the HudaBeauty Coral Obsessions palette. I really do love this palette. It is so beautiful. The first color I'm going in is with that coral color, and I'm using it as my transition color. And I'm just going to buff this right into my eyes just to begin to build the look that we are trying to achieve for today. As I told you guys, we are inspired by Cardi B and her makeup artist. And so today I want to kill it with this look.
Problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage. I'm going.
So we're going to continue to build, and I'm going to use that darker coral color, and I'm going to buff that right into that transition color just to kind of make it more intensified.
I see that we different, you riding, I double. I don't do discussions on bragging about hundreds. Don't go to your places, I know that they sunken. Don't call me your brother, I barely could trust it. I talked to a shorty, she bagging the bugging. And I'ma need all of my dollars on corporate, so hand me.
Now I'm going in with kind of like that ruby color. It looks a little coral ruby-ish, but I'm going in with that color. And once again, I'm just going to focus on the outer corners of my eyes and buff it in. And then I'm going in with that brick color, and I'm just going to deepen this look by going into my crease and just focusing it right into that area.
Dubbing the mixes I'm mixing, I know I've been missing. I needed some personal time. Fuck all the pictures, dimensions. I don't what you did this, I mean it. I'm
now I'm going in with my P. Louise base. This base I got from the UK, and let me tell you, I have gone through several base for my eyeshadows and nothing ever panned out, but this one right here, oh my god, every time I use it for my shimmers or my glitters, it really makes it pop.
Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. A phone and affection, I summon and dub it.
So I'm going back into my Coral Obsession palette, and I'm using that coral shimmery color that you see right there. And I'm going to go in and I'm going to apply it starting from the middle and move outward so that it's only going out 3/4 of the way.
Bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through.
Now I'm going in with the Saharan by Juvia's palette, and I'm using Iman, and I'm going to use that for now the inner corner and moving it outwards so that it blends in to that other coral color and it makes it all come together. With this process, you want to take your time with it. As you can see, if you rush through it, then it just just doesn't come out the way you want. So definitely for this process alone, I took my time and I really wanted to show you guys how I kind of executed it. Done with your efforts, I'm dealing with pressures. I know it's a lesson, that's word of the wise. Dubbing the mixes, I'm mixing. I know I've been missing. I needed some personal time. Fuck all the pictures, dimensions. I don't with your digits. I mean it, I'm staying inside. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something. That's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the Now I'm going in with my L'Oreal True Match Warm W7 foundation, and I'm using a stippling brush to apply this. Now I haven't used a stippling brush in so long, so this is something that actually I kind of liked the way it worked, but I also went in with my beauty blender to kind of buff it all out just to make sure it was nice and smooth and that everything was blended in well and that we didn't have any kind of blotchy areas. Honestly, I think I put too much foundation for this first go round. As you can see, I'm trying to put in that work to blend this all out. Trust me, it will come together. The process never looks pretty in the beginning, but in the end, it always comes together. And of course, I've got way too much foundation on my face that it kind of trickled down into my lips, but we'll clean it all up and we'll get it to look right in a couple of minutes. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. A phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Don't hang with a nigga who lying for nothing. I see that we different, you riding, I double. I don't do discussions on bragging about hundreds. Don't go to your places, I know that they sunken. Don't call me your brother, I barely could trust you. I talked to a shorty, Now I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to conceal in those areas where I need to conceal and contour around the frame of my face where I want it to look contoured and chiseled, and I'm going to snatch this look together. So I realized that I ran out of my Shape Tape concealer, and so there's really not much left. It's kind of drying out, which I hate. For my contour, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer, as you can see, and that too was running dry a little bit, that I had to squeeze whatever else was left in there out so we can try to complete this look. But you guys know how I do. I will replenish and be good for the next go around next time I record a video. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. A phone and affection, I summon and dub it. So in this section, all I'm really focusing on is blending everything out. We do have a lot of product on the face, so we want to make sure that everything looks even, everything looks put together, that there is no areas where we don't blend out well. This is the part where we want to make sure that we blend, 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 blend. Everyone say it with me. Blend, 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 and blend. So now I'm going in with my RT contour brush, and I'm using this specifically for this area, which is always hard to reach even with a beauty blender, but I really want to make sure that my contour, especially on the nose area, is really blended out well. This should come as no surprise that I'm using Laura Mercier setting powder. I mean, you could probably skip this part. I use it in all my videos. I have a love affair with her. What can I say? I love this powder. I really do. And now I'm going to use it to set and bake whatever we just did. I talked to a shorty, she bagging the bugging, and I'ma need all of my dollars on corporate, so hand me the money, I divvy the pie. I'ma give all of my people a portion to build them a fortune on flipping the ride. I can't be mixy when iffy the vibe, and 40 on 50 is really the time. Now I'm going in with my Morphe bronzer in Phenom, and I'm just going to contour the rest of my face. I know that I use creams to contour, but this is to kind of set it, intensify it, and make it look all snatched, chiseled, and together.
I mean it, I'm staying inside. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going.
Now I'm going back in with my Coral Obsessions palette, and I'm just going to smoke out my lower lash line just to kind of intensify this look, make it come together, and finish it all out. We are at the home stretch, guys, so bear with me. We are almost done. We are halfway through this video. You guys have made it, and if you had looked at this video this far, if you've been with me this far throughout this process, then you might as well make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification, because trust me, there will be a lot more coming. So now I'm going in with my Color Pop blush palette, and of course I am using that coral color just to kind of add some colors to my cheek so that we can finish this look and then move on to my favorite part, which are the lips.
Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems, I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Don't hang with a nigga who lying for nothing. I see that we different, you riding, I double. I don't do discussions on bragging about hundreds. Don't go to your places, I know that they sunken. Don't call me.
I'm gonna apply mascara to my eyes using my Better Than Sex mascara, which I love. So now I'm going in with my Huda Beauty Power Bullet lipstick in Graduation Day, and I must say I love these lipsticks for various reasons. One, it's creamy texture. Two, it dries matte, but it doesn't leave your lips feeling dry or cracked. You don't have to really apply throughout the day, and it just blends so well on the lips. Now I'm going in with my Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette, and I'm using Barbados and Maldives to add some highlighter to my face. And honestly, it makes a great difference when you add a setting spray mist to it before applying the actual highlighter, because you can really see the highlighter pop so much more. With that same setting spray, I'm going to apply it all throughout my face to kind of give my look an overall glow and to set the makeup that we've just finished applying, and just to tie in this look for the finished results. And voila, there you have it, the Cardi B inspired look. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.